Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First in Pakistan, first state to join was Bahawalpur, 1954. Pakistan opened its first embassy in Iran. Egypt was first to open its embassy in Pakistan. First governor of State Bank Zahid Hussain. Iran was first to recognize Pakistan. First Lady Federal Minister Vikram Nisa Noor Tourism. First Lady Governor Rana Liaquat Ali Sindh 1973-1976. Pak cricket team first visited England. First captain of cricket team Abdul Hafiz Kardar. First century Nazar Muhammad against India in 1954 in Lucknow. First women university located in Rawalpindi. First governor of Punjab Francis Modi. First CM of Punjab Iftikhar Hussain Mahmud. First Governor General of Sindh Ghulam Hussain Hidayatullah. First CM of Sindh Ayub Khodo. First Governor of Balochistan Lieutenant General Riaz Hussain. First CM of Balochistan Ataullah Khan Mengal. First Chief Justice of Pakistan Sir Abdur Rasheed. First PM of Azad Kashmir Abdul Hamid Khan. First President of Azad Jammu and Kashmir Sardar Ibrahim Khan. First Commander-in-Chief of Pak Army was Frank Misservy. First Chairman of Joint Chief of Staff Committee was General Muhammad Sharif. First Chief of Staff of Armed Forces was General Tikka Khan. First Governor State Bank was Zahid Hussain. First daily newspaper in Amrose 1947. First lady pilot was Shukriya Khanum. First museum of established in Karachi in 1950. First bank was United Bank 7th August in 1947. First agriculture reforms in Pak Jan 24, 1959. First Chief Election Commissioner of Pak Mr. Khan FM Khan 25th March 1956. Next question. Election Commission was created on 23rd March 1956 under Article 137 of 1956 Constitution. First Muslim Commander-in-Chief of Pak Ayub Khan. First radio station established was of Karachi. First TV station was set up at Lahore on November 26, 1964. First Lady Major General in Pak Dr. Shahida Malik. First space satellite was launched by Pak in 1990. First private TV channel STN in launched in 1990. First chairman Senate was Habibullah Khan. First woman judge of High Court Majida Rizvi. First constructed Barrage of Pakistan, Sakhar Barrage. First Secretary General of Pak, Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. Agro Museum is at Lalpur. First biogas plant was installed in 1974. First woman bank established in December 1, 1989. Bashai Mosque built in 1670 AD. Designation of JJ changed into president on 23rd March 1956. Largest hockey stadium is National Stadium, Lahore. First Minority Minister of Pak, Junginder Nath, Junginder Nath Mandal held the portfolio of law. First atomic reactor established in Islamabad in 1956. Largest railway tunnel is Khojak. Smallest dam of Pak is Ras Dam. Largest fort of Pakistan, Rani Kot. Citibank is the largest bank in country. Nishane-Pak is highest civil award of Pak. Second highest civil award is Halale-Pak. Ayub National Park, Rawalpindi is the largest park in Pakistan. First, uh, first museum is the biggest in Pakistan. Lahore Museum is the biggest in Pakistan. Largest railway station is Lahore. Highest pass is Muzdaq Pass, which connects Gilgit to Xiang, Yang, Xianyang. Largest canal is Loyal Barrage Canal or Sucker Barrage or Lance. Largest cement plant is Lucky Cement Plant near Lucky Marwat. Largest road is Shahrai Park. Shortest river is Ravi. Smallest division is Karachi. Largest division is Kalat. Largest division of Sindh is Thar Parker. Habib Bank Plaza Karachi has 23 stories, 345 feet. Minar Pakistani is 196 feet 8 inches high. Pakistan its longest boundary with Afghanistan. Pakistan 34th largest country in the world, 6th in population wise. Smallest civil award is Tamka-e-Khidmat. First census of Indo-Pak is 1881. Highest dam is Mangla Dam. The Pak expedition to Antarctica reached on 5th Jan 1991, established Jinnah Research Station. Longest tenure as Governor General was Ghulam Muhammad. Longest tenure as President was Ayub Khan. Longest period of rule was Zia. Longest tenure as PM was of Liaquat Ali. Shortest tenure of PM of Ayub Khan 3 days, the then Shujat Hussain 47 days. Shortest tenure as president is of Bhutto. Shortest tenure as Governor General is Quaid-e-Azam. Longest tenure as a Governor General is Ghulam Muhammad. And the largest library is Quaid-e-Azam Library. Largest university is in Punjab. Oldest university is in Punjab University. The only non-military Shaheed to receive Nishane-e-Haider was Subedar Lalak Jan. He belonged to NLI. Highest peak of Suleiman Mountains of is Takht Suleiman. Highest peak is K2 Goodwin Austin 5611 meters. Second largest glacier of Pak is Batura. Largest island of Pak is Manora. Smallest city is Jhelum. Longest tunnel rail Khojak 2.43 miles Balochistan Road Lorry Tunnel 5 miles Water Rask Dam Tunnel 3.5 miles. Next question, rainiest city is Rawalpindi. Rainiest place is Murray. First medical college was Nishtar Medical College. Smallest dam is Rask Dam. Largest mountain range is Karakoram. First to receive Nishane-Haidar was Muhammad Sarwar Shaheed. First private airline of Pakistan is Hijweri. Pakistan's second largest city is Lahore. Abdur Rasheed was the first Chief Justice was the first Chief Justice of Pakistan. Zafarullah Khan was the first Foreign Minister of Pakistan. Kanjir Lake is the largest man-made lake in Pakistan. Mancha Lake is the biggest lake of Pakistan. Turchbir is the highest peak of Hindu Kush. Largest coal mine is Quetta is in Quetta in Pakistan. The first woman bank was established in year 1989. Pakistan first geoscientific laboratory is functioning in Islamabad. The highest point of Khyber Pass is Landi Kotal. First, the first atomic power station of Pakistan was installed in Karachi. The first president of America who made an official visit to Pakistan was D.W. White. D.W. Dwight D. Eisenhower. Largest airline is PIA. Largest airport Quaid-e-Azam International Airport Karachi. If largest canal is Loyal Barrage Canal. Largest dam is Tarbela Dam. Largest desert is Thar. Largest district is Khozdar, Balochistan. Largest industrial unit in Pakistan steel mill. Largest industry is textile. Largest island is Manora, Karachi. Largest jungle is Changamanga, Kasur. Largest lake is artificial lake is Ganjir. Largest lake natural is Manchar. Largest library is Punjab Library Lahore. Largest mine salt mines is of Kyoda. Largest waterway is in Islamabad is Lahore Islamabad. Largest museum is National Museum Karachi. Largest circulator Urdu newspaper is Jang newspaper The News. Largest nuclear reactor is Khan Karachi. Largest oil field is Dhornal oil field. Largest park is Ayub National Park, Rawalpindi. Largest radio station is Islamabad. Largest university is Punjab University, Lahore. Longest coast of Balochistan. Largest railway platform is of Rohri. Longest railway track Karachi to Landi Kotal. Longest road Karachi to Peshawar. First TV station in Pakistan started at Lahore. Pakistan first radio station was set up at Karachi. सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने के लिए बर मेहरबानी इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह ताला आपका हामी नासर हो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।